Hi everyone, this is Ashley with Luna Made Mocks and CT and Rena Digitals. I'm going to show you a tutorial on my PNG smartphone smart object placement file. I apologize for my voice. I am currently sick, but someone had requested this, so I wanted to do a tutorial in case more people wanted to buy it. I do have some iPhone mock-ups in the shop with hands holding them already. But it was a request for a PNG one for mood boards and stuff. So I'm going to show how to do that. If you open your file in Photoshop, you will see that it does already have the transparent background. The most important thing for this is saving it as a transparent file when you are finished doing your placement. So just like any other mock-up, it has the double click icon to place up here, and that's going to be your smart object. So go ahead and double click that, and it's going to open up a file to place your image. I go up to File and Place Embedded, and then you're going to navigate to the folder wherever your image is saved, and then go ahead and double click it. And now I already had this one saved to fit this, but if it doesn't fit, all you would do is just use your boxes there and just resize it, and then click that check mark, go up to File and click Save, and then come over to your smartphone, and now it is going to be automatically placed in there for you. Do any other adjustments that you want, but the most important part is when you are finished, you can either leave it like this, or I like to just make it clean. I right click and go to Merge Visible, and then that just makes my layer flattened with the transparent background. Still, do not flatten your image, because if you flatten your image, it's going to make it have a white background, and as a JPEG file would. So then go up to File and Save a Copy, and then just make sure you save it under the PNG file, so that way it has that transparent backdrop still in there. I'm not going to save it because I already did, but super simple to use. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message.